To get started with importing your Drawio document, just make sure that you save your document in Drawio as an XML file. Just click File, Export As, then select XML. Make sure that the compressed box is checked. Then click Export. You'll have a few options for where to save your document, or you can just click Download to download the file to your computer. Now, log into Lucidchart and navigate to the Documents page. Here, you can click the Import button and then select Drawio. Please note that Drawio import is in beta, so please bear with us as we work towards smoothing out this feature for you. In the Import dialog box, you can drag and drop your Drawio XML files, or just click Choose Files. Once you have all of your documents selected, click Import. Then, when your documents finish importing, you can click View Document to be taken straight into your imported document, or click Done and you'll see all of your imported documents listed at the top of your Documents page.